Ladies and gentlemen, this is the video guide, the tutorial that will help you to remove pop-ups by the site onlinesportssearch.com. This is a special pop-up that has the intention to force you into installing a special extension into your Google Chrome browser. Often such pop-ups happen as a result of you visiting some hacked website, or it could be that this extension called Online Sports Search is bundled with some free application. So you might decide to install some free software. However, the installer may additionally suggest that you install some other extra utilities, and this is extremely dangerous. This is why you need to always pay very close attention to what exactly you are installing. Take time to read the documentation related to free software and always select the advanced or custom installation mode to avoid this hijacker from being activated. Online Sports Search browser hijacker changes your default search engine. So when you submit some search queries, you may notice that the results are provided by Yahoo search and not by Google search anymore. So as long as this extension is active, it will be in control of all such important settings. Also, it may spy on some of your browsing activities online. Therefore, if you are not happy with such amendments, go to the menu, click on More Tools and Extensions. Now you need to disable and possibly even remove some of the suspicious extensions you might see here. Finally, my strong recommendation is that you scan your Mac computer with the reliable security software Combo Cleaner Antivirus for Mac. ComboCleaner.com, this is the page to get it. After the program is successfully downloaded and installed, wait until it updates the antivirus database and click on Start Combo Scan. This will begin the complex research and investigation of your Mac. This is the end of scanning by Combo Cleaner Antivirus. The program has performed the free research of Mac computer, and at the end of scan, some threats were found. You may go to the antivirus area and click on Review Results. This is the detailed report about the location of each specific threat in your Mac. You may click on this icon that says Show in Finder, and this will show you its exact location in Finder. After that, you may remove each specific threat manually, so one threat at a time. And this is the free way to remove threats manually from your Mac computer. Of course, you may consider purchasing the premium version of the program to get rid of all these threats automatically.